Hi, thanks for taking a little bit of time today to learn about the CUNY Start program at Queensborough Community College. My name is Bonnie Flaherty. I'm the director of the program, and we're just going to take a little bit of time to talk to you about what the program is, some of the steps to enroll in the program, and hopefully address some of your questions. So let's get started with a little bit about what is CUNY Start. Here you'll see a few of our students from a couple of semesters ago working together on a project. And that collaborative work is really one of the hallmarks of the CUNY Start program. We work very hard to make sure that students have lots of opportunities to connect with each other and to collaborate with each other. CUNY Start is a program that is specifically designed and specifically recommended by CUNY for students to build math, reading, and writing skills that they need to be able to enter many of the credit-bearing college courses that earn credits toward degrees. We have proven results over more than 10 years with literally thousands of students in helping them build the skills that they need for those first college classes and also get a much better understanding of how to navigate the college process. We are a low-cost semester-based program for first-time students and occasionally for continuing students who need to step out and work on some skills before they can continue. At a low cost of $75, we don't use financial aid and allow students to save that for semesters when they are taking credit-bearing courses, again, that earn credit toward the degree. We have a student-centered, inquiry-based approach, and what that means is that instead of lecturing on topics, our instructors are always asking students questions, are engaging students in work with each other, and really creating opportunities for students to develop the base knowledge that they need and then demonstrate that knowledge. We also have wraparound advisement support. What that means is that each student has an advisor who they could meet with individually, but also who they have a weekly seminar class with. And those advisors, one of whom is pictured here, really help students set up their whole college plan. From how will they pay for college, what classes do they need for their program of study, what are the resources that they need on campus to both survive and thrive. And as you can see, we are very, very proud of our graduates. You'll see several of them here who are CUNY Start alumni who just earned their associate's degree from Queensborough. Our instructors are highly trained. They have master's degrees in education, in English literature, in creative writing, in mathematics, in philosophy. Everyone in CUNY Start is focused on building community and creating opportunities for students to achieve their academic goals. It's really all about creating opportunities for student success and making sure that students have the support to get where they need. Again, our classes for the spring semester will be entirely online. And we'll get a little bit more information about that as we go. I'm going to turn it over to Jamal here to give you a little bit more information about the CUNY Start program.
Thank you, Bonnie. So first, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Jamal Biggs, and I'm an advisor with the CUNY Start program. So I wanted to go over with you what are some of the benefits of the CUNY Start program. As Bonnie mentioned, CUNY Start uses a student-centered approach for academic learning. So throughout the entire time that you're in our program, you have your own personal advisor, so someone that works with you the entire time that you're in the program. Any questions, concerns, issues, or support that you would like to receive, that's who you would be speaking with. We have highly trained instructors and staff, plus you get 2 opportunities to pass out of your courses in 1 semester that will allow you to get rid of your needs before taking credit-bearing classes. We are also a connection to the special benefits programs such as ASAP upon completion of the program. So, of course, you're wondering what are the expectations that we have for you as a CUNY Start student. So, I wanted to go over what are some of the expectations that we would have for you as a CUNY Start student. So, as a CUNY Start student, you're expected to be engaged and committed to our semester long program with 90% attendance, participating in your class discussions and group work every day and throughout the entire semester, communicating with instructors and advisors regularly, we're working respectfully with other students, staff, and faculty, and to only take CUNY Start for the entire semester. So these are just some of the expectations that we have for you as a CUNY Start student.
Thanks, Jamal, for sharing that information. So now that you know a little bit more about CUNY Start, there are some program options for you to consider. We try to set it up so that there are different schedules to meet different needs. The schedule that many of our students choose is what we call the full-time program, which is both math and English. It meets for 25 hours per week, Mondays through Fridays, 8:30 to 2 p.m. or 9 to 2:30 p.m. That's the expected time that you should be available for class. You'll have online classes, as we've said, where you'll be meeting synchronously or in live video every day, and also some combination of asynchronous time where your teachers will give you work to do independently, or maybe with a small group, but it would happen during that time. You should also expect that you'll have homework every day with class. For some students, the idea of 25 hours per week is a little too much, so they choose to either focus on just math or just English for the semester. And with each of those, we call them part-time programs. You have the option of just an early class, 8:30 to 11:30, Mondays through Thursdays, an afternoon class, 2 to 5, or 6 to 9 p.m. And again, you can choose the math program or the English program. In all of our programs, college seminar is built into the schedule as a weekly class. And here you'll see two of our advisors with one of our graduating students. Again, really celebrating that success. So now that you know about the program, what your options are, if you decide that you'd like to work with this group of people, because we'd like to work with you, you have some next steps to take. The very first thing is that you need to make sure that you are an accepted student at Queensborough Community College, that you've accepted the offer of admissions. The second thing is to complete the CUNY Start data form, which was likely in the email that you received, the same link to this video. You'll meet with a CUNY Start staff member to go over any questions that you have about the program and make sure that you're on board for the requirements of the program. You'll need to clear any holds that you have, which might be making sure you have your immunization paperwork in or your high school transcript information in. You'll need to commit to registering with CUNY Start. After you're registered, you'll need to pay a CUNY Start course fee of $75, and that will happen through CUNY First, the college's system, and your CUNY Start staff member can go through that process with you. You'll be invited to attend a tech orientation with CUNY Start before classes begin so that we can help you get to know all of the systems you'll be using to engage in your online class. And then we'll see you on the first day of class, which is February 1st. If you have questions before you meet with your staff member, you can give us a call, 718-281-5368, or you can email us at cunystart@qcc.cuny.edu. We're looking forward to talking with you. Thanks for spending some time with us today.